Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg, and this is a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 23 SPX Outboard. The dual axle trailer is included. It's a Horizon Gray, a Mercury 250 Verado. Let's go up in the boat. Okay, we'll start up here at the bow. You have an anchor locker, nav light, forward cleats, storage below the seat for your anchor line, additional storage both port and starboard. You have lighted cup holders, blue LED lighting, table mount, forward in floor storage, you have the gray infinity woven flooring, the stone interior. There's a carry-on cooler, the storage under the seats, again storage under the seat. Simrad multifunction display with a Fusion stereo, tilt wheel, two captain's chairs, this one's showing the bolster up, this one's showing it down. In-floor ski locker. Currently it's filled with the bow cushion and the bow and cockpit cover. That's going to be on the boat shortly. And what I like to call the trunk. You have a big sun pad here. And I just pull this up. And that opens up. There's your two tables. Stands, your fillers for the bow filler cushion. That's a nice big area to store whatever you want. You have your ski pylon. As you go back towards the stern here, you have your battery switch. Storage. Like to put toolbox and extra oil and things like that in there. It does have a transom door and your additional storage and batteries. This is a twin battery boat, and again it is a Mercury 250 Verado. And there you have it. If you have any questions regarding this or any other boat by MarineMax, give me a call. My name's Jim Ferg. Telephone number is 609-494-2102. Again, that's 609-494-2102. Thank you.